Okay, welcome back to Slots and Sprues. I wasn't gonna, well, I was and I wasn't gonna video this, but I think I will. But I've already started, so I've already given this. This is the caravan roadside snack bar job that I'm going to replace my drive-through with and make my drive-through something else. So I've started spraying. Had a bit of a run there. Got to sort that out. But that's going to be inside, so I'm gonna do some. Don't know what I'm gonna do. Got silver on that somehow. Stainless steel kind of. So I've started it already. My son still needs to print me off a few bits, but we're underway. That's the top, like where you push the thing out the top. There's the smokestack. Got gas canisters, need to do the little valve jobbies on top somehow. We've got fenders, we've got wheel, got a spare wheel, got a little jockey wheel, I think they call that. Got some little styrene sticks to do. So yeah, I've got quite a lot to do. Let me just get hold of these slots off of here a minute. So this is what it's meant to look like. Somewhat. This bit I'm not printing because apparently it's the files. The file's a bit dodgy. So I've just asked my son to print me a flat one, so I can just. I'm just going to put it there. So that goes in. Turn this round. So that's meant to go in and block that, and that's the top of the counter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move, because you know when you go to some of these burger vans, they have like a window there, and they have like drinks and crisps and all that. So I'm probably going to try and make a perspex window jobby there, and just put some, and then have a little lip for the food to go on, and then just have some snacks or something behind it if I can get some 3D printed, or even just make some tiny little cans and food and stuff. But I think this is going to probably take me all week, because I don't have much time in the evenings really. Well, I do, but I don't, because I've got other things to get on with. So we'll get going. Waiting for the other bits to be printed, and hopefully by the end of the week, there's the other. That's the other shell without the top bit. So hopefully by the end of the week we'll have a caravan there, somewhat painted. I've got no idea how I'm going to paint it yet. So it's just going to be as it comes, and as it gets along, we'll just sort it out. Anyway, see you when I've done a bit more. Okay, so right, another run there. Got to sort that out. Us the floor. Giving it all a shot of grey primer. Got some blooming blue tack stuck on it there somehow. I've got to try and clean that off. All the outside major bits are done. I'm going to do these with the airbrush probably, because these are quite small. I'll do them with the airbrush and maybe freehand them bits. Just want to get the main bit done. So got this, missed the corner off of that, not that fast. I'm going to go over this with this stuff. I don't know what it's going to do to it. Hopefully it won't destroy it. Silver gloss. So I bought it because my son did a lightsaber, and he wanted some kind of silver finish on it, and it looked quite good. So I'm going to give it a shot of this. I don't know if to do. I might just do I'm going to do this because this is going to be the inside. And I might do the inside of this as well. But I'm going to see what this comes out first like on this. Because I can always repaint it, can't I? So, but I want this all to be, and the floor all to be like a stainless steel kind of look, hopefully. So once I've painted this, I'll come back. Right, Excuse the fan going, 'cause I'm trying to keep the airflow, but it's coming out really well. It's coming out really well. Let me just put that down there for a sec. This bit's kind of quite dry, so I haven't really got a lighter to chew in on it, but the stainless steel effect is coming out. It's got to have another coat. I've got to wait an hour, it says, and 24 hours to fully dry. So I'm going to give that another coat in a minute. That's the floor. I've decided to go the inside as well. Bit of a run over there, but not too bad. Wait for that to dry now. I think the inside's going to look pretty cool. Right, I've shined some light on these now. This is the inside. So I've done all the inside kind of stainless steel kind of look. Hopefully it will. Well, you're not going to see much of it, but you know, I wanted to make it look kind of shiny inside. Obviously these, I think these are for like if you want to put menus and stuff on, which I'll do. The work surface is kind of alright. So I'm kind of pretty happy with how they turned out. What I'll do, I'm not going to do much more in there. I might try and make like a little griddle. Let's see if I can get some bits to put inside. Yeah, I need some bits to put inside. So I'm going to look now on a 3D print thing or 3D cult, see if I can get some more utensils and bits to go inside. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that so far. Cool. Okay, so painted the interior, some kind of alloy silver chrome job. I think it looks quite fetching. Painted the exterior black for now. And he painted these bits black. I'm going to walk my wires in the way because this battery's dying. Painted them bits black. It's got to touch up some of these bits. Printed off a ice cream machine and a coffee machine, but it's a bit too small. So we're just printing off another coffee machine, a cash register, and a soft drink dispenser. Obviously that's got to go on the front of there. Oh, that stayed. And this piece is meant to go in there, but I like the idea. I like the idea of having that open. Yeah, I don't know. I like the idea of having that open, but I think I won't. I was going to have that open and have drinks and stuff inside there like you do, but I'm not going to bother with that, I don't think. I'm just going to have some drinks and bits. I might put some drinks and bits and bobs piled around. Anyway, so we're still painting, still printing, slowly getting there. I think it's going to look particularly good. Right, see you again on the other side. Okay, I think I'm going to make this into a two-parter. Because I've got still a lot of stuff to print. I'm printing off some more bits and bobs. Kind of just doing it piecemeal. So they need touching up, but they've been sort of one coated. Need to touch up the black because where I put it on, it's tight fit. I need to build the little valve things. Not going to go mad, just a couple of bits on there. Wheels have been painted gold. I've got to paint the rest of these blacks, you can see them through the wheels. That's the bottom of this. I don't think I'm going to need it, if I'm honest. I'll probably bin that off. Don't really need that. That's the bottom of the van with the black floor. But I'm probably going to go over that again with that silver. I think I'll go over that with that silver. You can, I thought I might like the black floor in there, but you can't see it anyway. But I think I'll probably do that silver. I might do that in a minute. Front's only taped on for the minute, just to get it to see how it all fits together. Started doing some weathering around the edges, like where the metal's been worn out. I need it clean, a bit dusty from where I'm sanded. Not sure what I'm going to do with the windows. I don't really want to cut the windows out. I might just put over like a shutter, like they've shuttered them off. I might just do that with some bit of foam board and some tin foil, maybe. Could work, couldn't it? Like a metal shutter. Oh, we know what I could do. Hang on, because I've got plenty of them. Will this? Yeah, I think I might stick them on it. I can work it out. Where they've shuttered them off so people can't break in. That's that. So I did print off a coffee machine, but it's far too small. It's obviously it's small. It's the right scale, but the smaller size. So we're printing off a bigger one of them. A bigger one, a bigger coffee machine, a drinks dispenser, and a till for now. I've printed off the ice cream maker. That's going to go in there at the back somewhere. Obviously up on the counter. Yeah, so I think I might do this as a two-parter. I don't really want it. I'll see how much footage I got. If I got like 15 minutes of footage, I'll make it into two-parter. And we'll see how we get on. But looking quite good. I'm gonna have to purchase myself a 3D printer. I'm probably gonna get the A1 Mini. I'm only ever going to print small, tiny things like this. I think it's ideal. But this is the I put a bit of weathering on there as well, like they've worn out under to the aluminium below. So okay, right, coming along nice. Well, if I carry on, I'll see you in a minute. If I don't carry on, I'll see you in the next one, part 2.